How's everybody doing today? Today I just wanted to do a little video that deals with error checking. This is our kind of first foray into error checking, and error checking is a pretty big part of programming. What happens with a lot of our programs, they will work initially, but if we give wrong data, they will crash. I'm just going to take you back to this little program. This is our first if statements we did that dealt with level and hours. So if I put in my hours, I put in my level, it calculates rate based on level, and then after that it calculates my pay. So I'm going to run this program, and I say, alright, let's say I put in 40 hours, and I'm a level 1, and I hit calculate pay, I get $320. If I'm a level 2, I make $10 an hour, and I get $400. If I'm a level 3, then I get $12 an hour. That gives me $480. So this program works great. I'm thinking, wow, what could be better? But watch this. Let's say somebody makes a mistake. Maybe they just forget to put in level. I hit calculate pay. Boom. My program crashes. Typically, where your program will crash is when it's trying to take data from a text box and put it into a variable. Because remember, C is very strictly typed, so when I declare my variables, I have to specify which type of variable. If I have something in the text box that is not an integer and I try to put it over into this variable, it crashes. So as a programmer, you might say, well, how can I avoid this? Because I don't want to write programs that crash. Nobody wants to use those. One real simple solution that C# gives us is referred to as a try-catch block. It's really simple to use. All you have to do is put a try around the code that you think might crash, and then put a catch below it. So I just took this code from my program, these two lines. Again, these are the most likely lines to crash. I type out the keyword try, put an opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis, and then I put catch, opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis. And in the catch block, all I put was wrong data for level or hour. So it just gives them a message box. Now the way this is designed to work is this. If one of the lines in the try block causes an error, instead of your program just crashing like mine did a minute ago, it will instead go down and execute the catch portion of this. So if I have this program, a redone version of it, okay, it's the same program I had a minute ago, except I added a try catch block. So if I run it, it comes up, says, oh, it's hours, what's your level? I'll say, well, put in 40 hours, my level's 1, hey, my pay is $320, but what if I forget to put in my level? Remember last time, a minute ago, this crashed my program. Now I hit it, it just says you entered wrong data. So all it does instead of crashing is it just goes down to this line. What's great is even if I put in all kinds of wrong stuff, like maybe the user didn't know they had to use numbers, they thought they could just type in the letters, it won't crash. It just goes down to the catch portion, executes it, and gives the user a chance to fix their mistake. Anyhow, it's a real simple technique to use. I just put it around these lines because they were the most likely to crash. Some people will put this around their whole program to catch anything that might go wrong in their program. Anyhow, hopefully this was useful to you. We'll see you next time.